Now we're gonna go this way. The sun is setting, and so are we. Okay guys, just did like a cake pit stop. At La Boulangerie, I think that's how you say it. It's like a vegan bakery, just like on the bit near, well, somewhere here somewhere. Yeah, Asha got one of these weird things.
Yeah, it's a thing that I know from Poland. It's called tish. So well done for having this in Gili.
Yeah, but it's full of like a meringue or something. Yeah?
It's usually like a cream,
yeah.
But it looks exactly like that. It's just in Poland. It's called frog as well because they put little eyes on top and jam and the tongue sticking out, so that would be like a frog.
Right.
But yeah, in Yelanyagura is twice bigger, but I appreciate having it at all actually here, so yay.
And I got one of my favorite,
Yeah.
one of my favorite cakes ever, which is the carrot cake, and I also got cappuccino. I actually had like a full-on like coffee maker thing in there. I'm sure when I was cycling past before, well, I went past one place and I could just smell how good the coffee was, and I'm hoping it's this place. I'm not sure, not 100% sure. But yeah, wow, look at this cream here. That's crazy.
It's usually so big in Poland that I feel sick. So this one is pretty good.
Okay. Sure. But that cream looks like it's like a whipped cream, right?
It is.
Yeah. Almost like a marshmallow. Good?
So good. You want a bite?
Yeah. Wow. Very sweet, that. The cream is sweet. So yeah, I would call it kind of like an eclair, or they've got eclairs there. So it's kind of like the same texture as an eclair, but then with the cream inside. And with the icing sugar, as you can see all around Ash's nose. Okay, so let's try my carrot cake. Wow, really good. Oh, because it's not cream, right? This is vegan. So I don't know what it'll be, like the cream. Maybe it's like soy cream. Soya cream? No, but it's vegan. It says vegan everywhere. And yeah, carrot cake's really good. I usually, like in New Zealand, we usually have it with like a type of icing. I can't remember what the type of icing is. Anyway, that's good. The coffee's too hot to have. And this is kind of the view we're dealing with. It's really good. So yeah, nice little pit stop.
Wow.
Before the sunset. Gosh, Ash has finished those already. Do you want to try that?
Yeah, but that was unbelievable.
Yeah.
I'm sure I have lots of icing sugar on my face, but that is just the proof how good that was. So if you're here, go to a place next to like Ego place, but this is like a little French bakery.
Yeah, I think it's all part of like Ego. It is all part of like Ego. I think it's like Ego restaurant.
Strange name for the restaurant.
Yeah.
But I hope this is like a good Ego when you have like crave for sugar.
Yes. Okay. Well, we're gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna get through this once it's cold enough. And get through that coffee, and then we're gonna sunset it. Nice. Happy. Hello. Hello, happy people. How are we doing?
Someone had too much sweet.
Too much coffee maybe. Coffee wasn't so great, and I don't think the coffee is vegan, or the milk, shall I say? But it does say vegan. It does say. It says organic coffee. Okay, so it's organic coffee. Don't know what that means. Anyway, we had it. We did it. It was good. The cake was good. Now we're gonna go this way. The sun is setting, and so are we. Okay guys, we're trying to beat the sunset.
Huh?
Trying to beat the sunset. Go over there. Can you see it? I don't know.
Let me get there.
GoPro never really does a very good sunset, but we'll show you anyway. There it is, Asha. Oh, she's getting very close to me. Oh no, thank you. To kind of somewhere, well, past Sunset Point, so we're kind of past the point of sunset on the beach, but the sun is still setting over there. Yeah, we did well, Ashley talked to some of these horsey people. Apparently you can hire them. Hire them for
500 an hour.
500,000 for half an hour, no?
1 hour.
For 1 hour. 500,000 for 1 hour. Now you know. Also been offered mushrooms 2 or 3 or 4 times, I think, since I've been here. Or even, twice cycling and twice just since sitting here. So that's something as well. To ponder, something to ponder. Speaking of pondering, we're going to ponder this. It's not quite as good as last night, but it's still developing something.
We're so lucky.
I think just, the clouds kind of coming over. I mean, it'll still be quite nice. I think it'll still come up. It's actually, we're earlier now than we were last night. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that video above, around somewhere. Yeah, it was really nice, and yes, watch that video. Go look at it. Right now we're looking at this. Look. Yeah, I think it will get better. Okay guys, the sun is setting, but the rain is coming, so we're gonna try and get somewhere for some food before it comes down on us. To our bikes, over that way. Goodbye, son. Okay guys, we're back on the bikes. Back on the bikes. Ash is having problems on the bike. But we're back on the bikes. Go in this way. You right? Oh, there's a drone above me. So many drones. I need a drone. If anybody can give me a drone, let me know. And eventually I'll get one. Eventually I will get one for you. Yeah, can't afford it.